half an hour. Do you still think he's there?
Come on, Bobby, open the door! Bobby, open the door!
What are all these noises?
Bobby, don't you remember our picnic? What time is it?
But it's only 7 o'clock. Why did you all come so early? We'll meet at 8 o'clock.
Yes, it's 8 o'clock now, Furby.
Huh?
Hold on, let me check. Yes, it is 8 o'clock.
But my clock says 7 o'clock. Let me go and get my clock.
But how come Furby said it was 7 o'clock?
Hey, look, it's 7 o'clock.
There must be something wrong with your clock. It's 8 o'clock now.
But I bought the clock yesterday from Mr. Timer. It's brand new.
That's strange. Let's go over to Mr. Timer's shop and find out what's wrong with your clock.
All right, let's go now. What's the time?
It's 9:30.
What's the time?
It's 6 o'clock.
What's the time?
It's 9 o'clock.
What's the time?
It's 11:30.
It's 7 o'clock. It's time for breakfast. Yummy, yummy. It's 10:30. It's time for fun and exercise. It's 2:30. It's time for afternoon sleep. It's 7 o'clock. It's time for dinner.
Wow, there are so many clocks.
But where's Mr. Timer?
Let's go in.
Look at all the clocks. They're so beautiful.
Mr. Timer! Mr. Timer! Where are you?
What's all that noise? I was asleep in my room.
I'm sorry, Mr. Timer. It's me, Furby.
I know you're Furby. But why are you here with all the children?
We would like to find out what's wrong with his clock.
What's wrong with the clock?
It's 1 hour slower than the normal time. Yeah.
What's the time now?
It's 8:30.
Show me the clock, Furby.
See? It's 7:30.
Take the clock back. It's new and perfect.
But it tells the wrong time.
All my clocks are the best clocks. They always tell the right time. Furby, why did you buy the clock for me?
It's for my sister.
Where's your sister? Is she in Hong Kong?
No, she's in Bangkok right now.
I made the clock for his sister. His sister is in Bangkok, and Bangkok is 1 hour behind Hong Kong. So Furby, please take the clock back.
Furby, is that clock for your sister?
Yeah.
So please check your clock again.
Mr. Timer, why does that clock say 12:30?
Because it is showing the time in London, and London is 8 hours behind Hong Kong.
What does that mean? I don't understand.
Well, that means that it's now 8:30 in the morning in Hong Kong. But in London, it's 12:30 at night.
Furby, you're right this time.
Mr. Timer, why do your clocks tell different time?
Because I'm the best clockmaker. People from all over the world come to buy my clocks.
This is my beautiful clock. Look at the two hands it's got. One hand long and one hand short. The long hand tells the minutes, the short hand tells the hour. The clock's two hands together tell me the time to do my things. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I play with kids at 10 o'clock. I learn new words at 10:30. I sing and dance at 12:30. I go back home at 1 o'clock. I eat my lunch at 1:30. My clock tells me all the right time. I won't forget my things to do. My clock is my lovely dear friend, and I won't forget my things to do.
Hey, Furby, open the door quickly.
Do you think he's gone?
Do you think you looked at the wrong time again?
Come on, Furby. Open the door.
Open the door!
What are all these noises?
Furby, don't you remember? We agreed to meet at the park at 9 o'clock. But it's already 9:30.
Did you look at the wrong time again, Furby?
I'm sorry, I forgot it.
Forgot it? How could you forget it?
I don't know, but I always forget the things I have to do. Always.
Furby, what about make a day planner?
Yes, a day planner helps you remember the things you have to do.
What's a day planner?
Let us show you our day planner.
Okay. Alice, you've got a very beautiful day planner. Can I have a look, please?
Thank you, Furby. Here you are.
Oh, I think I should make my own day planner.
Let's make one for you together.
Yeah.
Furby, what time do you go to school in the morning?
8 o'clock.
So, let's put go to school here.
Furby, what time do you have lunch?
12:30, I think. Yeah.
So let's put lunch next to 12:30. Okay. Here you are, Furby. Here's your day planner.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for making me such a beautiful day planner.
So you can remember the times and the things you have to do. Yes, Furby. Remember, tomorrow you have to come to my house at 5 o'clock for my party.
Of course. Look at my day planner. Alice's party at 5 o'clock. Right? Hello, children. This is my day planner. Do you want to make your day planner? Let's make one together. Bye-bye.